Hey, Mr. Freeman. They told me to make sure you headed down there as soon as you got into your hazard suit.
Good day, Freeman. Good morning, Gordon. Ah, Gordon. Here you are. We just sent the sample down to the test chamber.
The administrator is very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis of today's sample. I gather they went to some lengths to get it.
Gordon doesn't need to hear all this. He's a highly trained professional. Well, go ahead. Let's let him in now.
All right, Gordon. Your suit should keep you comfortable. If you would be so good as to climb up and start your rotors. Gordon, we cannot predict how long the system can operate at this level, nor how long the breaching will take. Please, work as quickly as you can. Standard insertion for a non-standard specimen. Go ahead, Gordon. Slump the carrier into the analysis point.
The administrator... very concerned. The administrator... the conclusive... attempting shutdown.
It's not shutting down. It's not. Gordon, you're alive. Thank God for that hazard suit. You'll need me to activate the retinal scanners. I'm sure the rest of the science team will gladly help you.
Gordon! Man, am I glad to see you. What the hell are these things? And why are they wearing science team uniforms? It's okay, sir. I can take him. Hey, what the hell are you doing down here? Get topside. I hear troops are coming in to save us.
Get out of there! Run, man! Run!
Elevators are out of order, but we can still climb.
I'm not so sure I want to go to the surface. If the world finds out what we were doing down here. I just overheard a secure access transmission. Soldiers have arrived, and they're coming to rescue us. Of course, I have no doubt that we will meet them.
Maybe help is on its way, but I'm not waiting around for it. We gotta get topside.
I can't hold on much longer. Oh my God, we're doomed! Rescued at last. Thank God you're here. No! 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 Get it off me! Get it off! Get it off!
Hey! Hey, over here! Eat lead, you outer space octopus!
Very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis. Very concerned. Everything shut down. Administrator concerned.
Freeman, I've been waiting for you. One of your scientist pals said to give you a message. You're supposed to take this old rail system up to some kind of satellite delivery rocket. I don't know where it is exactly, and the old guy was so worried about getting out of here alive, he didn't tell me.
Have you heard? They're killing scientists. We all have retinal scanner access.
Freeman, right? I've got a message for you. Make sure you don't...
The administrator is very concerned that we get a conclusive analysis of today's sample. I gather they went to some lengths to get it.
Thank you, Mr. Freeman. You are Gordon Freeman, aren't you? If you can figure a way past that gargantua on the landing field and through the bunker door out there, you'll find yourself at the Lambda Lab's doorstep.
Geez, I thought I had a long night. You look like hell. I don't suppose the day's gonna be any easier. I'm gonna wait it out right here. Go on ahead.
Were you in weapons research too?
So this is the guy. We thought you'd never make it.
Gordon Freeman, you finally found us. If you're willing, my colleague is waiting for you at the main portal controls. He will open the gates for you, Mr. Freeman.
I'm gonna stay down here. If I see anything looks like it doesn't belong here, I'll start shooting.
It's ready! You must go! Now!